Question 13 then, it's asking you, if you can't quite see it, 5/8 times by 3. So remember, multiplication is repetition of addition. So there's two ways you can do this question. 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 is another way the question could have been written, because this is clearly 3 lots of 5/8. So this is option number 1. If you've got 5/8, 5/8 and 5/8, you've got a total of 15/8 altogether. It's asking you to give your answer as a mixed number, and what that means is how many whole numbers and what is your remainder. So if I've got 15/8, in one pizza there would be 8/8, so that's 8 out of 8. And then my next pizza, if I had a whole one, that would be 16. There's not quite enough. So 8/8 I've already got, and then how many 8s have I got left over? So 15 take away 8 is going to leave me with 7/8 left over. So I've got one whole one, that equals one whole one and 7/8 left over. Now I know some people say, let me just talk it through, how many 8s are in 15? Well, 8, 16, you know it's only one, it goes in once, there are 7 left over, and those pieces are called 8s, so 7/8. Okay, so it's up to you, you can either draw pictures and do it that way. And then the second method is if you know how to do multiplication. Now firstly, 5/8 wouldn't change anything, but 3 is also the same as if you wanted to change them both to fractions, is 3/1, because if you put anything over 1, so you're dividing it by 1, it has no effect, because 3 divided by 1 is still 3, but just some people prefer to do the multiplication this way, especially if the numbers get really tricky. So 5/8 times 3/1, multiplication, dead straightforward, times the top, 5 times 3, 15, and 8 times 1 is 8. Same answer as before, again, you just put it into a mixed number, 1 and 7/8, and that's it. Okay, so whatever method you prefer. If it's small numbers, you could go with repetition of addition, but if it's larger numbers, like timesing by 20 something, then you probably are better off with the more efficient method.